Hello, Namaste, welcome back to another session of learning. Today you're going to learn about noun and its number. We're going to look at the singular nouns and the plural nouns and also try and understand the various basic rules of how the singular and plural forms are evolved. Thank you. You see here the noun number. What is it? Nouns, as you know, are naming words. They are various names of things, not just names of people or places, but there are names of common things and abstract nouns and all. So, if you look at them very closely, there are common nouns, material nouns, and collective nouns, which have both singular and plural form. So, for example, here you say river, rivers, plural form; bird, birds, plural form; pen, pens, plural form; bouquet, bouquets. But there are also things like oil, milk, curd. For example, let's also take the flour. All these don't have the plural forms. So, here we are going to talk only about the nouns that have the plural forms and what the rules about how to form the plural forms. Here we are going to discuss some rules of how to form the plural forms of the noun. So, if the last letters of the noun end in S, SH, X and CH, now remember, the CH sound should not have the k sound and also the letter O. Then we must add ES to form plurals. So, you look here, box ends in X, so we have the plural form as boxes. We have added ES. Bush, sh sound, SH word, bushes, ES. Boss, S. So, there we have bosses, ES. Box again. And buffalo with O ending sound. So, we have buffaloes there, ES. So, this is the first rule. Let us look at the next rule. If the last letters of the noun end in F or FE, to form plurals, we use VES. Now, for example, thief. The last letter here is F. So, the plural form is thieves, VES. Likewise, leave, leaves, wife, wives. Of course, we can't have plural wives, not anymore, right? Then we have knife, KNIFE, and then we have knives, and then life, FE, we have lives. So, these are a few examples of the rule. So, try and research and try to find some more words which match with this rules. That is your homework. That is how the learning happens. Let us look at the next rule. Now, if the last letter of the nouns end in Y, so the last letter is Y, and the letter before that, the preceding letter, is a consonant. So, other than, remember, other than A, E, I, O, U, other than, those are the vowel sounds, vowel letters. Okay. Other than A, E, I, O, U, we have consonants. To form plurals, we use I, E, S. Now, look at this rule also. If the letter before Y, the preceding letter before Y, the last letter Y, is a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, add S to form plurals. Alright, so let us look at these examples there. Buddies, D, Y, consonant and Y, buddies, I, E, S. Lady, D, Y. Sty, I, E, S again. Now, sty is the home for the pigs. Candy, dy, candies. Sky, skies, KY. Now if you look at the other example, day, AY, that's a vowel, days, S. GUY, guy, U is a vowel, GUYS. Bay, toy, boy. So these are all examples of this rule. So again, I would suggest you to research, look up the internet, look up the various books that you have at your disposal. Try to identify more such words and familiarize yourself with these rules. The next rule on your way is this: there are some nouns which have to be coupled with en to form plurals. So these are some exceptions. We don't add s or es or vies and those kind of things. So we just add en. Now you see these exceptions: ox, oxen; child, children; fox, foxes. This is an exception, right? Man, men; woman, women; box, boxes. This is also an exception. So I have put here some exceptions and some en examples. Try to research. I'm sure, when you research, you learn better because you are doing it out of your own interest. So research, learn, and use them and improve your language. Now this is the concluding part of the noun, number, singular and plural. Here I'm going to explain you some exceptions. So look at a few of them: foot, feet; tooth, teeth; mouse, mice; goose, geese; louse, lice; sheep, sheep itself; fish, fish. Earlier people used to say fishes. It's also accepted these days still. Scissors, always plural, scissors; trousers, trousers, even if it is just one piece, right? Pantaloons, pantaloons, nothing changes there. Jeans, jeans; news, news, singular plural same; pliers, singular plural same; tongs, singular plural same; furniture is never plural, right? It remains the same. Same for luggage. Deer, swine; species, spectacles; khakis, aircraft. Again, research. Try to find out more about these exceptions. Not just these, there are many, many more. But this is for now from me, from English Bricks. Learning, again, let me remind you, I learn by reading a lot and trying to explain and teach you. Likewise, I request all of you to show interest in learning by spending some time in improving yourself. And this is a simple effort from me, where I would where I'm sharing my knowledge and expertise of almost 2 decades of teaching English. Mistakes do happen. There are slips because I'm not a native speaker of the language. But I keep working on my language constantly because I have to be there in the market. Right. Good luck. Thank you again so much for watching my videos. Take care. Thank you so much for watching my videos till the very end. If you really like this effort that I'm putting in here, please motivate me. Continue to motivate me by watching all of my videos, by posting your comments so that I can improve on my presentation, improve on and provide you what you need. I would also request you to subscribe to my channel. Also share this channel with your friends and relatives, and so that they would also benefit from whatever little effort I am putting in here. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching. Signing off for now from English Bricks. God bless.